today we're going to be testing out this water filter. We've got another one, so we're going to compare the two. This is the platypus. This one is the water drop, which contains, it's got a bag, that's the filter in there. I'll set it all up and then I'll show it to you again. So I'll just get these set up and then I'll be back. Right, this is the platypus system. This is a slightly smaller system if you just want to fill a water bottle or something like that. So there's a bit of a knack to filling it up. So, the water in. You can either, you can drink it straight from there, or you can fill your water bottle. So, and this one is really sort of designed for just filling your water bottle, like your drinks water bottle, 1 litre sort of water bottle. But of course you can use it for this, to fill a bigger container, which is what I'm doing. So that's the platypus filter. Pretty good. I'm quite impressed with that. I could, you know, within a few minutes I could soon fill my 5 litre water container, or within a few minutes you can fill up your drinking bottle. The other one is a bit bigger than this, so let's go over to that one now. This one, which is the water drop, it's a much bigger bag, and the idea is you fill it up, and it's got a strap with it, so you can hang it from a tree. And then let the water just drip into a container. Or you can use it like the other bladder system, or you can drink straight from it. That's how it's designed to work. So it just casually sort of drips in over a period of time. So this one is probably better. This one is probably better for long-term use, like if you're camped up and that sort of thing, and you want to just fill the bag up and then let it drip into your container over a period of time. So I think there are a couple of options. You can connect this up directly to another bag, but it's really meant for this sort of drip feed type thing. So anyway, that's how that one works. Big bag, takes 1.5 gallons, this bag. So you then hang it up and just let it, as you can see, it's coming out at a steady pace. That'll soon fill your water bottle up. Once it gets going, it runs out there quite quickly, so it wouldn't take long to fill a 5 litre container. So that's the difference between the two. But the water drop, which is this one, does come with another bladder, is this one, and you can fill it. You can fill this bladder up, put the filter on. In fact, I'll do it. Fill it up. So this is the water drop again. It comes with this little bladder which you can just fill up if you just want to drink straight from the stream. Or you can use it in the same way as the other one to fill the bottle. So you can use it like that. Anyway, I'm just going to carry on, fill this bottle up because I need some water, and then I'll be back. I've got a little water tester which I'm using just to test the water, and it's at home. The reading on this is 500 out of my tap. Down here at this spring it's 22, so you could probably use it without filtering it and you wouldn't come to any harm. But I think it's probably better to filter it anyway. Sorry, I thought we had a visitor, but we haven't. It's just Mickey. Look, I'll show you. Here he is. Mickey, say hi. That's it. Say hi. Well done. Good boy. Well, I hope you enjoyed that little comparison between the two systems. Just to recap, you've got, just to recap, you've got the water drop, which is a big system and comes with a small bladder for filling your bottle. So if you were just backpacking, you'd probably just take this bit, and on the other system it doesn't come with a big bladder. But if you've got both systems, you can use the bladder from the water drop on the platypus. Having said that, so this is the platypus, very small, compact. I'm going to carry on and finish filling up my 5 litre container. In fact, I'll record it and see how long it takes. Right, that took about 4 minutes to fill this 5 litre container. I don't know what that is, just over a gallon, with the platypus system, which is pretty good, I think. So thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe. I'm going to do a lot more of these adventure trekking videos, so if you don't want to miss out, hit the subscribe. It's all free. I don't get anything out of it. This channel isn't monetized, but it's just for fun.